In today's tech video, I'm going to show you how to fix your Hitachi TV if it won't connect to your Wi-Fi. I'm going to show you a few different methods for fixing this problem. Okay, the first thing you want to try here, and it's probably the simplest of all the methods, and in most cases this will actually work. Just basically unplug your TV from the wall, wait about 60 seconds, don't be impatient here, wait the whole 60 seconds, and then plug it back in. This will reset your TV. Now this is a lot different than switching the remote on and off, so do it from the wall plug. If this solves your problems, then great. If not, let's go ahead and go on to the next method. Unplug your router, wait 60 seconds, then plug it back in. Now before you test your TV to see if your Wi-Fi is working again, make sure that your router goes back online. Usually it takes about 2 minutes or so for it to connect and get internet again. If this doesn't do the trick, then this last method probably will fix it. However, this is a factory reset. So this will restore your TV to the exact way that it was whenever you took it out of the box and bought it brand new. What you want to do is grab your remote, click on Settings, go to System, Advanced System Settings, Factory Reset, then Factory Reset Everything. Well, hopefully this video was helpful for you. If it was, go ahead and hit a thumbs up on it. Go ahead and subscribe to my channel. I make tech videos all the time, and I would love to have you back in the next one. Take care.